To ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson. Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Zaza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And we have another brand new house, a corner property. And this one's located here in Angeles City. And the subdivision is secured, of course. And we are very close to Expressway and Marquee Mall. So we have a modern mix of contemporary and the tropical feel. So pagpasok natin ng pedestrian gate, over here, unahin na natin yung two-vehicle carport nyo na very spacious at the same time fully covered. You also have a automated gate. And right here, you have a spacious another area going to your backyard or a service kitchen na. And also, pati pala dito ang ganda ng design niya. And by the way, nasa around magto 2 p.m. yung oras ngayon. Ang presko ng hangin. And sakto mainit. And actually, kakatapos lang talaga ng typhoon dito sa Pampanga. That's the Uwan typhoon. Then over here naman, right side pagpasok natin ng pedestrian gate, you have a beautiful free-form curve ng swimming pool. Ang ganda niya. Over there, mga pang kids. Ganda ng shape niya. And dito pala, nag-add ng accent natin sa corner lot is you have deco blocks here, which also gives us design dito sa area na to. And another one, since this is your pool area, you also have your shower, syempre. You have your shower area. Diba? It's nice. 2 p.m., mahangin, and makakapag-relax pa rin kayo dito sa sarili niyong pool. And we have another access going to your swimming pool, but doon na siya sa living room natin or common area. Now, before we enter your main house, ito yung that adds accent pa sa buong bahay. Itong stone cladding na to. And you have outdoor PVC. Now, for your door, above standard, you have a solid wood and you get a digital smart lock. Let's explore what's inside kasi hindi ko pa talaga nakikita yung pinaka-buong loob niya. Nakakainis talaga yung hindi sa akin pinapakita yung loob. Okay? Tawag dito yung prompt mo. Okay, pagpasok natin, you have a double height ceiling living room. Ang ganda pala ng effect nito dito sa loob. Iba yung effect niya kasi sa labas eh. I mean, yung itsura niya sa labas. Diba two-way mirror yung mga glass? Okay. Ito pala yon. Warm pala siya sa loob talaga. Yung mga wooden finishes yung nakalaminate sa framing ng window. Double height ceiling, ang ganda din ng chandelier niya. This is your spacious living area. Over here is your another spacious entertainment wall with full size ng PVC panel, buong buo. Ganda ng color niya. Ang linis ng design, no? Ganito siya. Mas accessible nga naman pag ganito. Mas madali nyo ilagay yung mga soft close. That's it. Over here, you have another beautiful chandelier. It's your spacious. Kasya pa kahit 10-seater dining table. Ito naman yung pinaka-dining area niya. Area niya na at the same time, meron tayong direct access going to our swimming pool. Oops. That's it. Ayan, di ba? It helps yung two-way mirror na mas ma-lessen pa yung init. Ang ganda ng swimming pool nyo. Gusto ko siya. That's it. We have another access. Can you show them itong close-up no? May stone cladding pa dito pero yung parang may mga crystal. Yun yung gusto ko sa mga bata. See? Na-lessen yung init. Over here naman, connected from your dining area, you have a very beautiful formal kitchen. Parang almost U-type na to. Let's start from here. Tudor fridge, brand new Tudor fridge. Overhead cabinets. Love it, thank you. Maso-store lahat ng gamit. Basic furnitures are included as well, all brand new. So this is pull out. Yes, I love it. Pull out pantry. Over here, parang sakto yung coffee machine, di ba? May magagandang coffee machine. Dito naman sila. Then over here, pwede na magluto. Gaganda oh. Mga pull-out storage niya. Ganang linis yung mga edging ng cabinet door. Ay! This is a different style ng range hood. Ganda niya. Ganda. And then dito yung sink niya. Well, thank you. May sliding door tayo dito. Diba? Over here, ang countertop natin, quartz. And napakalawak niya. Yan. That's spacious yung countertop na to. And yes, you have space to add your stool. Ganda. Even yung itong accent na to. Ang ganda. Over here naman, I thank you for showing them how spacious and open layout yung pinaka-common area natin. Ang ganda niya. Another door, solid, is our access. This is your dirty kitchen. You can still upgrade this naman. Double sink. And this one is direct access from your swimming pool. Kung nagluluto kayo dito, agad nyo masiserve doon sa mga nagsuswimming. Another screen door. Ito naman yung from your carport. Let me just show you yung space niya. So from your carport, ito yon. This is the area from your carport. Lakad lang tayo dito. Pwede na magsampay. Sampayan na to. Good thing naka-screen. Ayan. So balik tayo sa loob. That's it. Ang luwag. Ang ganda. Look. Well, this is a 5-bedroom house. We have a first bedroom na dito. Pwede pag may mga kasama tayong elderly with us, natitira. And spacious. Ay, ang ganda ng cabinet. Ay, ang laki ng cabinet. Oo, ang laki ng cabinet. Ang ganda. Dito na siguro yung headboard, pwede dito. Kahit queen size, kasha. Ganun ka spacious. You have aircon. And itong door na itong room na to, ito yung nasa side going to your service kitchen. Ito siya. Ang ganda buong to cabinet. May vanity. Ang cute. Oh. Ganda nito for accessories. Easy access. For belts. Something like that. Yeah, spacious cabinets. Lahat sila soft close. Gusto ko to. Oh, well, nandito yung breaker. Pero, still, you can still use the other part of the cabinet. I love that. That's your first bedroom. Sa tabi niyan, nandito na yung natin. Common toilet and bath dito sa baba. Right here, your shower, toilet, and then may malaking sink na tayo dito. And we have another door, parang secret door. Is our storage. Sa ilalim naman na to ng staircase. Sit! Favorite ko yung area na yan kung nasan ka, Mr. K. Kung nasan si Mr. K, I love that. We may now check the rest of the bedrooms naman sa second floor. So we have wooden planks for your staircase and a rest area before we totally reach your second floor. Okay, we have window on this side, and also, which highlights yung wooden staircase natin, we have this gorgeous chandelier. Pang ilang chandelier na to for this house? Pang 3. Gorgeous, diba? Iba-iba sila ng chandelier. And also, maluwag yung space natin for the staircase. I love this. Kasi parang Siya yung effect niyo pababa. Even kahit palabas na kayo ng mga rooms nyo, this could be your, where you can check your second look. So sa second floor natin, we have 3 doors on this side. Check first this. A spacious second bedroom. Dito na siguro. Or that area yung headboard. Mali ako. Yung mga saksakan ng TV. Ano yun? So, hindi tiles yung flooring natin for the bedroom, pero ang ganda ng finish. Para siyang wooden grayish. So, SPC yung tawag sa kanya. You have a cozy rooms. Headboard, kasi yung queen size. TV kung gusto niyo mag-add. You also have own air conditioning unit on this room. And yung cabinet ng mga gusto ko. Just look at that. Ang laki. Kung bago man kayo sa channel namin, I'm 5'8". Para makita nyo, ma-imagine nyo kung gaano kalaki yung cabinet na naka-built-in. Ganda. Okay, next room is our toilet and bath. Common toilet and bath for the second bedroom. Thanks for this. I love this na mga enclosure yung ibang shower. And rain shower siya. Toilet and sink. Yung ibang part ng bahay, may pagka-aesthetic. Okay. For this one naman, ito na yung headboard. Iba din yung design, pero ang ganda talaga ng mga cabinets na included. Over here, Mr. K. For this one naman, may vanity na siyang kasama. I love it. Full size din yung mirror. And of course, let me show them ng cabinet na lang. That's it. Parehas siya, no? Now, we have sliding door dito na kanina ko pa gustong buksan. What's this? Room siya. Family room. Okay, ito naman accessible via this sliding door na may two-way mirror din upon going up. So this could be your family room or guest room. Depends on you kasi it's already set up. May aircon, may entertainment wall. Oh, I can see a secret door. May fluted panel and may secret door. May secret door. May sarili siyang toilet and bath. Okay. Now, your family bedroom or kung gusto niyo siyang gawing another junior master suite, pwede siya. Toilet ay may sink, may toilet, and may shower area kasi siya. Behind this, fluted panels. Nakikita niyo pa ba siya? Because no, unless lumapit kayo. And this room has its own balcony na ang ganda ng view pag nakalabas ako.
One eternity later.
Yan. Ang ganda ng view. Look. Here. You will love this room. Ito pala yung view niya. Yung ganda ng swimming pool nyo and yung neighborhood nyo. And kitang-kita nyo na corner yung property. Ganda. Ganda nitong room na to. I guess we are down to check your primary bedroom. For those who haven't subscribed yet, kung bago kayo sa YouTube channel namin, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. Now, if you want to book your viewing, you can just call the numbers flashing on your screen. Okay? I guess this is our 5th bedroom and your primary bedroom. Wow, high ceiling. You also have your own balcony. And nakikita ko may another door. Ang ganda nun. Yung window na yan. Ito yung shade. Kasya pa yung king. King size, kaya. I love it na parang super open layout. And pang-apat na chandelier na to. By the way, pang-apat na chandelier. It's very nice. Full-size balcony. That's for later. Over here, Mr. K. Ang ganda. High ceiling. Over here naman, you have your vanity area. At the same time, malaki siya. And you have another cabinet naman dito. Siguro dito yung mga mga easy access na damit. Pwede mga pantulog, gano'n. And then another door, medyo nasilip ko na kanina. Hindi pa ang wow. Oh, wow. Okay, another door is our primary toilet and bath, built-in. Look, ang ganda, meron siyang jacuzzi tub for single jacuzzi tub. Ang ganda. Ito yung favorite ko sa mga houses, pag may ganito silang stone cladding kasi para siyang crystal. Ang ganda niya. Can we take a look at it ng naka-focus, Mr. K. Ang ganda niya. Okay, that's it. His and her sink. And then, separate yung shower area. Ayan. Gusto ko yung mga materials din na ginamit. Ang smooth to. And naka-magnet. And spacious. Ayan. Toilet, separate. And syempre, on the other side naman, yung cabinet. Another cabinet. Walk-in cabinet na to. Ayan. Pare-parehas yung cabinet na style. Ayan. Minimalist na handle, but it's cool. It's elegant. Looks very elegant. I love this. Let's just do a quick recap. Let's go back dito sa balcony. Well, para ma-experience natin yung balcony, let's go out. There you go. Stunning 2 p.m. Alright. Let's just do a quick recap, I guess. Here, para kita pa rin natin yung swimming pool. Look how gorgeous yung facade niya dito pala, on the other side ng balcony na to. I can still see yung swimming pool and then itong facade na to. Okay, let's just do a quick recap. This house is very, very brand new. I love it. This is located here in Angeles City, Pampanga, a secured subdivision, and also we are very close to Marquee Mall and Angeles Exit. The house sits at 226 square meters for the lot area, and you have 296 square meters for your floor area. This is 5-bedroom, 4 toilet and bath. The house comes semi-furnished, and you have your own swimming pool. You also have your 2-vehicle carport with automated gate as well. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Sasa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on the next video.